Hey guys, John here at Camaro Central. Today we're talking window felts, specifically 1970 to 81. Before we get going, I just wanted to make sure everyone knew exactly where the window felts go on this car. Your outer felts are going to hook to your door shell, and they're going to go right here. Your inner felts hook to your door panel, or on a 70 to 75 Camaro to your upper plastic top rail. These felts sweep the window as it comes up and down when you roll it, when you use your window. It's got the felt inside here. Now let's actually dive into the difference between these window felts. All of the window felts for 1970 to 81, your inners are going to be the same. They're all going to have a flat bead with a V felt for the inner felts. The difference is really going to come into play on the outers. There's three different options. The first one is going to be the factory OE style round bead. It's that thin round bead that goes all the way down the full length of your window felt. The second option is still a bead of chrome on your window felt, except it's a flat wide bead, probably about 1/4 inch or so wide, that again runs the full length of your window felts on the outers. The other option that you could have on a 70 to 81 is going to be window felts that have no molding on them. These would be used on cars that have the special exterior molding package, that have the piece of chrome that hooks to the top edge of your door, connects with the piece on the fender, and then you would have the molding that goes along the rear edge of your hood. Again, those will not have any chrome on the window felts because you've got these chrome pieces that go directly onto your door right below them. These window felts are for cars with no chrome on the felt, but instead have the special molding that hooks onto your door. If you have these moldings, your car will have pin studs that are in your door shell that molding clips hook onto inside of this chrome. For 1976 to 1981 Camaro, if you buy a new set of door panels, your inner felts are going to come pre-installed on those panels. 70 to 75 uses an upper plastic top rail that's separate, and they do not come with window felts. So if you're buying new door panels for your 76 to 81 Camaro and window felts, you're just going to need a set of outers, just depending on what style you need for your car. If you're working on a Firebird or Trans Am, all new pre-assembled door panels for 70 to 81 will come with your window felts pre-installed. Again, 76 to 81 Camaro, inner felts will come pre-installed, and all 70 to 81 Firebirds will have your inner felts pre-installed. These are going to be the inner felts. They have a flat bead of chrome, and the felt that pushes up in the rubber is in a V shape. This is what's going to ride against your window as it goes up and down. These are your factory original felts for the outers. These have a thin round bead of chrome that will go down the full length of the felt. Again, very similar to the round bead. These are going to be a flat bead. If you want a little bit more chrome on your window felt, you can get these flat bead, and it's probably 1/4 inch wide, and again, full length of your window felt. The last style is going to be these that again have no chrome on them. They're just all black. You could use these on a car that you don't want any chrome on, but truly these are used on cars that have the special molding that goes down the door, fender, and the rear of the hood. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment down below. Let us know what you want to see for the next Tech Tuesday. Check us out on Firebird Central, Muscle Car Central, and Camaro Central. You can get everything you need for your car.